Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we are working on this top mount for the steering column. I've got some scrap pieces of metal here that we're going to use to build this mount. I have already drilled this piece out here to where it fits the tube pretty well. So we're going to work on that. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, made some progress this week. Built this mounting bracket for the steering column to weld it up in there. But once I got it up in there and brought the steering wheel up, it looked like the steering wheel might be a little too low with this. So I started cutting another piece up to maybe make another one of these brackets. I think what I'm gonna have to do is get the seat riser and seat bolted in here, or at least sitting in here roughly in the right spot, and just sit in the seat to check the height to see if the steering wheel is going to be good with this bracket or if I need to make another one. So we'll try to get that done here in the next day or two and see if we can't get this figured out so that we can start working on the other end of the steering column. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.